of how you can go into business for yourself. We started this business about 2.5 years ago. I was a chef for 30 years, and I got treated very poorly in the kitchen, so I figured my hard work deserved my own rewards. So this is part of one segment and module of basic cleaning and how you yourself could go into a business. This will be part of a series. There'll be many more videos to come. So I'm going to turn the camera off now and we're going to get rolling. Have a good one. Like, share, subscribe. My affiliate links are at the bottom of the page. Anything you want to say, Tom? No. My son, he's shy on camera. That's okay.